How to fix Netflix errors. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix any type of general errors on Netflix. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is, let's say that you're facing any type of general issues. I'll just recommend you to simply go ahead and then long press on the Netflix app icon over here and then just tap on this little I button which you see. As you tap on the I button, it will take you to the app information page, and what you have to do is you have to go to the option called storage. Once you go to storage, I would just recommend you to go ahead and then clear the cache and also clear the data. So once you clear the cache files and data of the Netflix app, it is most likely going to delete any of the data or movies that you have. So keep in mind that you have to re-log into your account again once you clear the data of the Netflix application. If that doesn't fix the issue, then I would also recommend you to simply tap on Netflix app and then simply try to re-log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. Or else, if the Netflix app came with the default stock Android version, then you could just tap on the three dots next to Netflix and just tap on uninstall updates and then take the OK button. When you uninstall the updates for the Netflix application, now you could just go ahead and then relaunch your Google Play Store and then go to Netflix and then check if there is an update button available. If it does, then I want you to actually go ahead and update the Netflix app to the latest version, because updating would also most likely fix any of the issues or bugs which you face within the application. So if this fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then I'll just recommend you to go ahead and then reboot your device. If it helps solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.